Karl-James Langford at BARCLODIAD, GAWRES. This is an Archaeology Cymru recording, a soundbite of the largest Neolithic chamber tomb to be found anywhere in Wales. It's believed to have been constructed as far back as 3,000 years BC, that's 5,000 years ago. The site itself derives its meaning associated with the giant's apronful. It's derived from local tradition, and why it's given that name is unknown. This was a very early form of burial chamber for a community, family type collection of people. It was built without obviously all the local technologies today. It's quite a vast tomb. It's closed off by Cadw at this time of year, and it's the 27th of December. This is a site that during excavation they found two cremations, and there was probably a lot more here that had been scraped away before proper archaeological excavations. But one thing that I did find very strange was a description when they excavated in the centre part of the chamber. They found evidence of a fire that seemed to have been poured, in the words of this description, a strange stew consisting of wrasse, eel, frog, toad, grass snake, mouse, shrew and hare, probably other creatures, and then this was then covered with limpet shells and pebbles. Significance of this ceremony is unknown. I'm unable to take you deeper into this burial chamber because it's unfortunately inaccessible. It's grated off at this time of year, but it's grated off for the safety of this monument, so it lasts for many generations. As we come out and look at the landscape, beautiful landscape, you can then look back in and see some of the stones in the entranceway of this chamber. Wonderful site that's been preserved for the nation, paid for by the nation. And if we look at this description here, BARCLODIAD, GAWRES, Neolithic chambered tomb, probably dated back to about 3,000 years ago BC. So that's 5,000 years ago, really. So that's 3,000 years BC. So that's 5,000 years ago. The mound covers a cruciform-shaped inner chamber used for the burial of the dead, and approached by a covered passage. 3 of the stones at the junction of the passage and chamber, and 2 at the back of the side chambers, bear original decorations. Now, I don't know when it refers to 2 at the front and 2 at the back, is obviously not referring to these 2 stones because they would be sort of protected. Artificial ceiling on it to protect the site as we come out, and this will be a visit locality for an Archaeology Cymru field trip in October. So if anyone's interested, please get in touch with me. This is Karl-James Langford, Archaeology Cymru, BARCLODIAD, GAWRES on Anglesey. Thank you very much. This is Karl-James Langford on Anglesey. This is BARCLODIAD, GAWRES. BARCLODIAD, GAWRES is the largest Neolithic tomb.